Hello everyone, you're welcome to my channel. Thank you for your support. Thank you for subscribing and viewing my video. Today we are going to be doing something for men. I've not done anything for men for so long, so I decided to do one straight bead for men, coral bead for men. So these are the materials I want to use for it. A simple one. I hope you enjoy it. So let's get started. I'm having my fish line 0.5 here with me. I'm having fish line. I'll be using only fish line. Then I'll be using rubber 0.1 for the bangle. So let's see what I have today. So I will be taking my fish line. Let me say 1.5 inches.
I don't want it to be too long. So this will be at the center. This will be at the center. And this. This is the way it will look like. So I will be arranging this. Let me see 30 to each. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14,
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So this is 20. To the other side, let me add 20 to the other side as well. Let me add 20 to the other side. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So, but it's short. I will still add, let me say 20 more. I want it longer than this. Let me add 20 more to it. This is it. I have added to this is the length I want. I'm having 40, 40, Can you see how lovely it is? The groom can wear it. So I will now tie. Your tie should not be too firm and should not be too loose. Can you see? So lovely. Even the wife too can use it. It's unisex. So let me cut this. Then I will now come to the band. So I'm taking my rubber, elastic rubber. You cut a reasonable length. It's only for hand. So it depends on the measurement for men, you know, depends on the measurement, can be 15, 16, 18. So I'll be using 18 for someone that is a little bit. So let me see 18, let me see 16 first. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So this is 8, 16 of it. Then we tie. It should not be too tight and should not be too loose. We tie gently. Tie gently. The bangle, the women can use it like this. Can you see? This is 16. So it's good to have one for the right hand and one for the left hand. So come to this. Normally women do use something like this as well, but they will not put the horn there. This will not be part of it. So for men, this is good to go. Can you see? So lovely. So thank you for staying with us today. We still have more interesting video. Subscribe if you have not, and leave a comment on the comment box. Thank you.